You want to lose your religion and keep your Jesus? Do you think that maybe it's time for you to reconstruct your faith and steal Jesus from the church? Let's talk about that.
Let's talk about it.
Welcome to the Spiritually Homesteading Podcast. Well, this is a summary of my podcast, which you can find over on Apple or Spotify. Just search for Spiritually Homesteading, and you'll be able to find the title of this video there, as well as others that are like it. If you're looking to declutter Christianity and lose your religion and keep your Jesus, well, this is the place for you, so just subscribe to this channel. As somebody who has gone through their own faith crisis and faith trauma that lasted the course of 10 years, how do you reconstruct your faith? Well, doing these following things. Number one, stay curious and stay open-minded. You might have a lot of problems and a lot of frustrations with the church, and that is okay. And I don't want you to lose sight of those things, but at some point you do have to move forward. Just focusing on the problem is not enough to solve the problem. You have to find ways to move forward and take ownership of your soul and your faith once more. Investigating theologians, philosophers, mystics, spend time with individuals who are a little bit more curious and open-minded and intellectual about the way that they approach their religion and their faith. Number two, be selective of the people that you are listening to. So I want you to ask yourself, does this person represent the kind of faith that I want to have? Does this person represent the kind of relationship with God that I want to have? If the answer to that question is, I don't know, or the answer is no, then do not listen to that person. There are going to be so many individuals out there who want to take advantage of your pain for their profit and for their book deals. Don't buy into that. Stay the course and what's right for you, and do what is best for where you are trying to go, not where somebody else thinks that you should go. Number three, find a system that works for you. So if that means going to a different church, then go to a different church. If that means going to no church at all, then go to no church at all. You need to put in the practices and procedures that are going to help you grow your faith. So it's going to be a little bit harder. That's why I call this spiritually homesteading, right? You can grow your own food, or you can go to the grocery store and buy your food. If you're determined to grow your own food spiritually, then it's going to require some skills that you don't have before. So find the resources that can help you grow your food so that you can sustain yourself on your new spiritual homestead. Number four, filter everything that you hear, know, believe, and see through the life and lessons of Jesus. So if you have a complicated relationship with the Bible, I understand that, and I don't want to push you to jump into Bible studies. But what I will challenge you to do is just focus on the red letter words. Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John, the words that come from Jesus, read those words over and over and over and over again so that you can get a feel for how Jesus thinks, operates, says, does, all of that, so that you can understand how to grow your faith in a way that is sincere and authentic to the nature of Christ right away. All right, guys, if this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, hit that little notification bell, because I put out new episodes every Monday and new podcast episodes every Sunday. I'll see you next time. Peace, love, and Jesus.